morning, student. Welcome for the science class of 7th. We are on the chapter first, nutrition in plants, and it is the session of part 2 of nutrition in plants. In this topic, we are going to cover the requirements in photosynthesis. And last topic we have discussed what is photosynthesis. Okay, requirement of photosynthesis. What are the requirements? You can see this diagram I have drawn for you. It will help you to explain you more better. So this is the photosynthesis, what I am going to show over here. The requirements needing are sunlight, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, water and minerals, and the byproduct we get are glucose and oxygen. So first we will take water and minerals. Water and minerals. Water and minerals are taken through the roots to all part of the plant. This process takes place with the process of xylem. Xylems are the vessels which contain in the stem and branches of the plant, and these vessels, these are tube-like structures which are connected from the roots to the every part of the plant. So water and minerals are transported through these roots, through the vessel xylem to every part of the plant. This we have done with water and minerals with the process of xylem. Z-Y-L-E-M, xylem. Okay, next was carbon dioxide. You know carbon dioxide is CO2, and plants need carbon dioxide to prepare the photosynthesis. So there are the leaves, and leaves contain stomata in them, and these stomata has tiny pores around it. These pores are called guard cells. These pores are called guard cells. And this opening and closing of stomata, it's a bean-like shape. This opening and closing of stomata will take place, the transpiration of gases will take place in this process. If it is open, it takes the carbon dioxide and the transpiration of gases take places. Singular is stomata and stoma is singular and stomata is plural. So stomata helps for the transpiration of gases in the leaves. It's the inner side of the leaves. Next we are done with this carbon dioxide. Next we are going to take sunlight. As the plant gets the sunlight from the sun in the form of solar energy. In the form of solar energy. And this solar energy gets trapped in the form of chemical energy. As such, they are using this sunlight in the process of photosynthesis, and these leaves changes this sunlight, this solar energy into chemical energy, and that stores in the leaves of the plants. Next we are going to do is chlorophyll. What is the chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is present in the green plants beta. They are present in green plants. And chlorophyll, in this chlorophyll, the one thing is there, chloroplast. And this chloroplast is the green pigment present inside the leaves. When the green pigment chloroplast is present, it helps the plants to prepare the food, and the photosynthesis cannot take places without the presence of chloroplast, means green pigment. So those leaves which are green in color can prepare their food. Without this chlorophyll, presence of chlorophyll, plants cannot prepare their food. So these are the requirements we have done. Now the topic we will cover is, what are the byproducts? What are the byproducts we are getting? After this photosynthesis, some byproducts we get it. First byproduct we get is oxygen, as is the essential requirement for the animals to survive. Without oxygen, animals cannot breathe. So this oxygen we get it only after the process of photosynthesis. That's why we plant more and more trees to get the oxygen. And it's very important for our survival also. Next topic is byproduct we are getting is glucose. As you know, glucose is the food that is present in the leaves of the plant. These glucose get converted into starch, and in the form of starch, it's stored in the plants, even in the fruits. Like potato, you can take the example. In potato, lot of starch is present, lot of carbohydrate is present. So glucose gets stored in the form of starch in potatoes. And one more example we can take for the seed, oil seeds. The plants which are giving, just like groundnuts are giving seeds, are the seeds which give us oil. So lot of starch is present in the seeds also, that are converted into oil we are using for oil. So we have done with the byproducts. Oxygen and glucose are the byproduct. And in next topic we will continue the type of heterotrophic modes. So read this. Thank you. Have a nice day, beta.